Right over here.
This one?
That one right there.
Who's gonna sit in the middle?
Hi, guys. Hi. My name's Tess. You gonna draw with me today?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, pour 'em out. Yeah. What am I doing?
Do a princess.
Princess. Okay. No pressure.
This is how you do a princess.
Please do show me.
That's a stick figure.
What's so funny? I feel like you guys are in on a joke that I'm not in on. Are those balloons?
Yes, it's rainbow balloon. This is how I do my flower.
That's a good flower.
So I just spoke to Bella. Now Bella is one of two twins. Bella and, two twins, really? Two twins? For reals? Bella was like the giggliest, smiliest. I feel like she has a super, super playful energy that definitely has to feature in my cake. She was giggling the whole time. I mean, everything I said was funny, everything she said was funny, it was just nonstop. I think this is gonna be a problem for me because Bella's response is all the flavors, all the colors, all the sports, all the things, everything.
That's a princess?
It looks like a wizard.
Thank you. Is it a wizard?
No.
No. It's a princess. We're sticking with a princess?
It actually looks like something else.
What?
A clown. No, borracho.
A what?
Borracho. What's a borracho?
Spanish term? Borracho?
Yes.
Do you know what that means?
No.
What does it mean?
Aha.
That's exactly what borracho means in Spanish.
Borracho? Borracho means drunk in Spanish. No? Am I right? Yeah, that's what it means, drunk in Spanish. I definitely want to find a way to kind of tie this little drunk wizard into the cake.
What are you drawing?
A princess.
Sorry, I asked that like 5 times, didn't I? Yeah, these are her legs,
Yes.
but she's got no body.
I'm gonna draw it.
Am I interrupting your process?
Yes.
Chloe is just a little bit sassier. She was kind of making fun of me a lot, and I kind of appreciate it, actually. It was sort of like, it was a really nice juxtaposition between the two of them.
If your princess had a name, what would it be?
Scarlet.
Scarlett's like a deep, like, smoke voice, you know? Hey, Ira. I asked her, I think I asked her, is that princess mean? And she's like,
She is. That's why I'm drawing her.
also her princess is a little pigeon-toed, which I feel like I need to recognize in the cake.
Tell me again about the sun here.
The sun is really hot, so if a space people, if they walk on the sun, they would get on fire because the sun's so hot, and then they would scream and die.
That's very nice. It's a good story. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really cute, it's gonna be girly, but it needs to have just like a little bit of an edge. Little bit of a Chloe edge. I'm super excited to make this cake. I think it's gonna be really, really cute, and I honestly just wanna get started. So let's do it.
Girls, I'm gonna borrow your drawings, but I'll bring them back to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, so first up, if you're gonna make a layer cake, you're gonna level your cake layers. Just needs a serrated bread knife. I'm gonna take this little spatula here and I'm gonna grab some buttercream and just put that right on the cake. God, that is an awful color pink, but it's really fun. Cake.
Have you ever dropped a cake before?
Why would you ask me that right now? Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with macaroons over Laffy Taffies because covering a marshmallow in a Laffy Taffy is harder than it looks.
This isn't working.
I'll put marshmallows around the cake. She's gonna be fine. She's gonna love these pink macaroons.
Which one was your favorite?
Of
All the
this,
things on there, yeah.
these,
Like the
Both.
lily pad flowers?
and the cake.
See, I'm gonna do 3 lily pads, green Laffy Taffy as the base, red starbursts as the lilies.
called Baracho.
Baracho is going to be made. You can keep with the Laffy Taffy theme because I know it comes in purple. I think he gets a big eye and a little eye because he's like, whoa, wasted. We can make something that is an orangish head with a purple body of Laffy Taffy, and I'll find a hat. I will find a hat. Doesn't that look like a Baracho hat to you?
Yeah,
A little bit?
a little bit. I like it.
It's an option. Popsicle stick, Sour Patch thingy, Laffy Taffy body, marshmallow head, googly eyes are out there. Sounds like a drunk person came up with it, so. Here we go. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a big moment for me. Chloe, she drew this like really pretty sunset, and she had all the colors, and it was really like girly, and then she starts drawing a princess. The easy part of this is gonna be the sun and the sunset. Next step after this are adding the green grass.
Scarlet.
What do you like best about her?
I like best about her is that she is adorable.
Scarlet's a yellow princess, so we're gonna take fondant first, get a little head shape out of that. This is like the Play-Doh of the baking world. So it has like a scalloped kind of edge to the bottom, so I'm gonna try to do that with a piping tip. For that sour, main, salty component, a sour candy lace necklace, some orange hair. Let's unwrap these little starbursts, and I'm gonna roll them out into hair. What are we gonna make the crown out of? Ice cream cones? We're gonna pop on some googly eyes.
She looks sassy now. Oh my
She looks sassy. After this is the shoes. This is a hack, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. If you stick a fork into a Nutter Butter, into a sandwich cookie, you can dip it and pull it out without getting it on your hands.
I like her shoes so much.
So much.
Wasn't she supposed to be pigeon-toed?
Although more accurate to the drawing, I liked it better when she was not pigeon-toed. I think Chloe's gonna be very happy with this.
What if I told you Tess has a surprise for you?
If Bella's reaction is anything like she was in person,
Is it a toy?
I just want her to have that like super giddy vibe that she had when we were talking.
Why don't you just close your eyes and imagine?
My only hope is that Chloe doesn't like Bella's cake better than her own.
You're just gonna have to imagine it.
Pizza. It's pizza.
No looking. And open your eyes.
Yeah.
Do you recognize it?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's made out of.
Tommy, what do you see?
Can we try it?
You can touch it, you can grab it, you can eat it. What do you guys want to do with it?
Eat it.
Who is it?
My
Who's
dog.
yours? Do you recognize her? Who is it? Tell me.
My mean princess.
It's your main princess. And who's on the...
My birthday cake with gummies.
And
Try
who's that
this.
guy?
Let me try that.
Who's that guy that you're eating? What's his name?
His name's Baracho. I remember him.
How excited are you guys?
I love macarons.
Go big, like that.
Marshmallow. No, touchy. Eat that.
What are you eating right
right now?
Macaroon. Marshmallow was
Is that her
really
necklace?
good. Uh-huh.
Can you see your shoes?
The lily pads.
The lily pads.
This is the best day ever.
It's the best day ever?
Can I touch you?
No. Wow, I'm so glad I spent 72 hours making your cakes. I'm glad you're enjoying. Okay. Oh, wow.
Or should I dump my head? It tastes like gum.
I wouldn't dump your head in it.
I'll just do it.
Whatever you want, Chloe. 1, 2, 3.
Just see this little eye poking out of the wall. That's so creepy. Wow.
Hello.
Wait, what was this?
I didn't realize. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's
That's
Bella's.
Baracho. It's Baracho. It's Baracho. This man needs a drink.
Could you box it? Box it?
Could I box it up? For sure. All right, girls. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for making
Take your
the
drinks.
cake.
Oh my God, you're so welcome. Well,
Thank you for making the cake, but I'm sorry I smashed it up into pieces.
oh my God. Well, you're so welcome, and I'm glad you had fun with it. All right, girls. Well, thank you so much. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you've ever spent forever making a cake or just want to share your favorite cake creations with us. We really love it. Until next time, see you guys.